Hello, I'm Qaisar and today I'm going to solve ICSE 2025 examination specimen question paper mathematics. Question number 1 already I have started and first 9 sub questions I have done. Today I'll do sub question 10, 11 and 12. Alright? बिफोर वी स्टार्ट आइए आपको एक शायर की कुछ लाइन सुनाता हूं. शायर कहता है, गर दवा के लिए ढूंढा है तो बेकार किया, गर दवा के लिए ढूंढा है तो बेकार किया, चारागर ही तो है जिसने हमें बीमार किया, चारागर ही तो है जिसने हमें बीमार किया. हम उसे दोस्त जो समझें भी तो कैसे अजहर, हम उसे दोस्त जो समझें भी तो कैसे अजहर, छुप के पीछे से अभी उसने कहाँ वार किया, छुप के पीछे से अभी उसने कहाँ वार किया. थैंक यू. Alright. Let's start. Question number 1, sub question 10, and the question is, a mixture of paint is prepared by mixing 2 parts of red pigments with 5 parts of the base. Using the given information in the following table, find the values of A, B and C to get the required mixture of paint. 4 options are given. 4 options are given and we have to find out the correct option, the correct answer. Alright, this is the table. Parts of the red pigment and parts of the base. Alright, we have to find out the values of A, B and C and then we will decide which option is correct. Okay. Now see, 2 upon 2 and 5. See the ratio 2, 5. So 4A, B 12.5, 6C. That means 2 ratio 5 is equal to 4 ratio A is equal to B ratio 12.5 is equal to 6 ratio C, like that. So we can write down 2 upon 5, 2 upon 5 is equal to 4 upon A. Alright. So from here A is equal to 4 into 5 upon 2. Alright. So A is equal to 4 into 5 whole divided by 2. 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10. So we are getting A is equal to 10. A is 10. Similarly, 2 upon 5 is equal to B upon 12.5. Alright. 2 upon 5 is equal to B upon 12.5. So from here B is equal to 2 into 12.5 divided by 5. Alright? So B is equal to, and that also 2 into 12.5 will be 25. So 25 upon 5. 25 upon 5. and this gives you 5 5s are 25, so you get 5. B is equal to 5. Alright? Okay. Now again 2 upon 5 is equal to 6 upon C. So 2 upon 5 is equal to 6 upon C. And from here see 2 3s are 6 and 3 5s are 15. So C is equal to 15. C is equal to 15. Alright? C is equal to 15. So we got A is equal to 10, B is equal to 5, and C is equal to 15. And if you see the options, option D is correct. D is A equal to 10, B is equal to 5, and C is equal to 15. So D is correct. D is the correct option. Alright. We write down D is the correct option, and that we can write down. I want to delete this, and now I'll write down the correct answer. D option is correct. 10, D is correct. D option, and the values are A is equal to 10, B is equal to 5, A is equal to 10, B is equal to 5, and C is equal to 15. C is equal to 15. This is the correct answer, and this is how you are going to write down. You write down, as I have already told you, explained to you, you write down either D, or you write down this, or you write down as I have written option D, and the answer is this. Alright, I hope it's clear. Now, sub question 11, and the question is, an article which is marked at rupees 1,200 is available at a discount of 20%, and the rate of GST is 18%. The amount of GST is, 4 options are given, and we have to find out which option is correct. Alright? So we write then SP is equal to SP is equal to mark price, which is 1200, and then 1 minus 20% discount. And this gives you 1200. This 0 gets cancelled with this 0, so 2 upon 10, which is 1 upon 5, 5 ones are 5, minus 1 is 4 upon 5. So into 4 upon 5. Now this gives you 5 2s are 10, and 5 4s are 20, 0 multiplied by 4. And this gives you, when you multiply, 4 0 0, 4 4s are 16, 6, 1 4 2s are 8, and 1 9. So you get 960 rupees. This is the price at which the article is available. Now GST is 18%. We have to find out SGST. So SGST will be half of that, 9%. So we have to find out 9% of this. Alright, so SGST is equal to, you can write down SGST is equal to SGST. SGST is equal to SGST is equal to 9% of this. 9% of 960, and this gives you, when you simplify, this gives you 8640. 8640 and rupees. So 86.40 rupees. This is question number, which is 11, no? This is question number 11. This is 11. This is question number 11. Question number 11. All right. So question number 11, the correct answer is option D. Option D is rupees 86.40. All right, fine. So we will write down, and we write down these steps I'm showing because we should know how we are getting, how are we reaching the answer. How are we getting the correct answer? How will you get it? You have to do some calculation. Though we don't want any calculation here, if you can directly, by trial and error method, or if you can guess that this is the correct answer, it's okay. We don't want any steps of calculation. But the question is, how will you get it? Alright. So for that, I'm just explaining to you. Otherwise, we don't want any steps of calculation in MCQ's question. But if you know how to do it, then this will help you in doing question number, a question which is asked for 3 marks or 4 marks. Alright, so for this, the correct option is D. The correct option is D. D is the correct option, and that is D is the correct option, and that correct option is rupees 86.40. Alright, D option is correct, and that option is rupees 86.40. Fine. Now the next sub question is question number 11. Sorry, 11 is done. Now 12. Question number 12. Next question is question number 12. Alright. Question number 12. And the question is, the sum of money required to buy 50 rupees 40 shares at rupees 38.50 is, 4 options are given. 4 options are given, and we have to find out which option is correct, what is the correct answer. And this is how we write down in shares and dividend. We write down 50 rupees 40 shares at rupees 38.50. So if we write like this, then first figure 50 is the number of shares, rupees 40 will be the nominal value or the face value of 1 share, and at is the market value of 1 share. This is how we write down, you should know. If we write like this in the question paper and the textbook, then this is the meaning, the position of the figure. So here n is equal to 50, and in this case, this I am talking about question number 12. 11 is done. Now 12. So 12 is n is equal to n is equal to 50, and market value of 1 share. Market value of 1 share is equal to 38.50. Alright, the question is, what is the investment the sum of money required, that means the investment. The sum of money required. So the sum of money required, the sum of money required is equal to, you don't have to write down, I'm just explaining to you so that if the same question is asked for 3 marks, then these are the steps, this is how you have to go ahead. So the sum of the money required or the investment is equal to, of course, the total number of shares is N and the market value of one share is MV. Alright, market value of one share. Market value of one share. N is how much? 50. And market value of one share is 38.50. And that gives you 5 multiplied by this 0 I am removing and I am making this 385. 385. And that gives you, when you multiply, you get 5 5s are 25, so 5, 2, and 5s are 42, 42, so 2, and 5 3s are 15 plus 4, 19. So we get 1925 rupees. Alright, so the sum of money required to buy 50 rupees 40 shares at rupees 38.50 is, 4 options are given and the D option is 1925. So that means for 12, 1925, not D, 1925 C option. Option C is 1925. So we write down the answer. Answer we write down. We write down. Is this clear now? This is how. And once again, I am telling you, we don't want these steps. All right. We want directly the solution, the answer. Which option is correct or what is the answer that we want. But the question is, how will you get that answer? For that, at least some calculation you have to do. So instead of some, I'm giving a complete step-wise solution so that you understand the concept should be clear. So the answer is 1925 means 12 ka option C. Option C, and C is option C is 1925 rupees 1925. So for 12 sub question, the correct answer is option C, rupees 1925. Alright, so I hope things are very, very clear. Okay then, thank you so much. Thanks.